Hi and welcome. This is a short grounding and affirmations practice inspired by Step 2 in adult children of alcoholics and dysfunctional families, taken from the Big Yellow Step Workbook. Step 2 invites us to come to believe that power greater than ourselves could restore us to sanity, or in Tony A's version of the steps, could bring us to clarity. In ACA, this step is grounded in the spiritual principles of open-mindedness and clarity. Not certainty, not perfection, just a willingness to see a little more clearly than before. In this practice, you're welcome to take what works and leave the rest. I've amended a few words, and of course you're welcome to do the same if something else fits with you or connects with you better. So let's begin by gently grounding in the present moment. You don't need to change anything or achieve a particular state, just noticing is enough. If it feels okay, bring your attention to your body where it's supported right now. Maybe the chair beneath you, the floor under your feet, or your back resting against something solid. Take one slow, comfortable breath in and let it out naturally. See if you can notice 5 things you can hear that might be near or far. You don't need to label them. Just notice sound arriving and passing. Now gently notice 3 physical sensations in your body. You might notice a feeling of warmth, pressure, contact, or movement. And finally, notice that you are here and that this moment is happening now, not in the past, not in the future. From this place of presence, we'll move into the affirmations. These affirmations aren't meant to override feelings or force belief. In ACA, affirmations can be understood as planting seeds of clarity, especially when old beliefs were shaped by addiction, chaos, or emotional neglect. You don't have to fully believe these words today. You're simply invited to be open-minded, to let them exist as possibilities. The affirmations. By attending ACA meetings and working with my sponsor or fellow travellers, I am being restored to clarity and sanity. I am understanding the effects of addiction and family dysfunction in my adult life today. I'm coming to believe that it was insane to think that I caused my parents' addiction or dysfunction. I was the child. They were the parents. I am not unique. I am not alone. You might notice feelings, resistance, relief, or nothing at all. All of that is welcome. Step 2 isn't about fixing ourselves. It's about loosening the grip of old conclusions and allowing clarity to emerge over time. If it feels helpful, you might choose one affirmation to carry with you today, not as a rule, but as a gentle reminder. Thank you for showing up for your recovery. And remember, you didn't cause it, you couldn't control it, and you don't have to heal alone. A heartfelt thank you for creating this space to be with me, to be with yourself, and to be with your inner family. Thank you for your courage and for showing up for yourself today with gentleness, humor, love, and respect. Your inner family has been heard. Whatever's coming next for you, please take good care of yourself and your inner family and move gently into the rest of your day. We're always here, and we'll see you again soon.